Welcome to my H journeys. So it's Mrs. White again, and yes, you see, today we're not talking about the H journey. Maybe I just did a little detour. So today I went to the Americana Manhasset, and then we stopped by the Hermes Lifers, and guess what I got today? Obviously, it's not Hermes, but it's a piece that also made me feel very excited. Yep, this is the packing. Okay, without showing you the top, can you guess what brand this is? Please comment below. Please guess what this brand is before I open it. Okay, so without further ado, let me just show you guys what this is. Yes, this is from Chanel. So obviously this is a small item. So can you guys guess what this small items be? So I give you guys a little hint. This is totally influenced by Fashionably Amy's and Kat L from the Luxury Live Show. And we so happened to bump into one, so that I was so happy. Can you guess what this is? This is a big hint, I think. Anyways, so of course it has the Chanel stickers with all the... So the only thing I was a little bit disappointed is that it didn't come with the Chanel classic ribbons and the camellia flower, but it's okay. So let me open it. Yep, it has the care book. And it has a little dust bag. Yeah. Are you guys excited for me? All right, there's more tissue papers. So I actually just got this item and I'm so excited for this piece. So I decided to film it right away. So let's just let you guys know today is Sunday. Anyway, so this is another stickers. Let me just open from the back of here. Did you guys guessed? Did you guess it right? Okay. So let me open the front. Oops. That's okay. It's a tissue paper, right? Okay, guess what color? All right, this is the light blue color. And it's the flap coin purse with chain. But let me take off this. This as well. This is really wrapped up very nicely, especially for the chain. We technically waited for them to wrap this and finish charging for like a good amount of 10 minutes. So but I guess it's too nicely, but I don't want to like rip it too rough because I would need it to wrap my back later. Well, they did like a few layers. Oh, they really wrap it very nicely. Great, awesome. This is a 21K season, the flap coin purse with chain, and this is in light blue color. This is so beautiful. If you guys have watched my previous video, I've been looking for the blue glacier Kelly, and this color, when I saw it, I was absolutely in love. It's just the perfect light blue. This is the lambskin. So this is lambskin, and it's gold tone metal, believe it or not, but it looks like silver. but I like it. And the dimension for this one is 3.7 inch, 4.9 width, and the deep is 1.4 inch. Okay, so let me open it for you guys. They have this little felt to protect. And then let me show you guys the inside, and they have the little tissue paper in there to stuffing, and then they have the authentication card. And also let me show you guys the price of this piece is $2,450 US. So this is the magnetic closure, which is really nice. And you can look at the interior. Hope you guys can see. I think it's nice because since like nowadays I don't really take a lot of stuff with me, and I think it really fits like I can just bring a few credit cards and car keys and just go, you know. I think this is very nice. And then also we were talking about like traveling, then you can really have this as, you know, you can wear it when you're on the plane, some important stuff. So I think this is very good, very nice. So look at the chain. This is really nice. I really like Chanel, like how they do the chain. And then this piece is actually made in Italy. Like I know some pieces are made in France. Please comment below and let me know like if you prefer your items from Chanel, it's made in France or Italy. But this piece so far, I mean, this is the last piece they have, which was on display. But we checked everything. It looks pretty nice. As you can see, there's not too much of wingle as I opened it. I think these are just naturally there. So yeah, we liked it. So I noticed that there's some stickers, so let me just remove it with you guys, and let me just take this one out. It's very obvious. Ooh, very nice. There's another one. I really like their gold tone because it's not like too bright. It's like very subtle. So I see there's more here. It's kind of hard.
A few moments later.
So I'm actually gonna put my Bottega Veneta's card holder, and of course it's a little bit bulky, and I want to see if it fits, because the reason why is that I don't want my, you know, credit card to like scatter everywhere. And it actually stuffed really well. Ooh, it fits. Ooh. Okay, let me close this. Ooh, it's actually perfect. You know, it keeps the shape, and you know, when I open it, I can just tuck this out. And then when I go to work, this is good. This is good. This is a very good piece. Ooh, I think I just made it very practical now. Ooh, I don't even need to buy an insert for this. My card holder can make it. It's great. Awesome. It really keeps the shape, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this. I think my idea is good, right? So let me share with you a little bit about our experience at the Hermes. At first, we went to the Americana Manhasset. It was mainly for the Hermes store over there. And I will share that experience with you guys on the other video. Anyhow, so as we were walking around after we visited the Hermes store, we saw the Chanel boutique, and we thought it's just an individual regular Chanel boutique. And then as we walked in, we found out it was actually belongs to the Hermes. And at first we were looking for the mini rectangular and the mini square. And of course they didn't have the black one. They didn't have the one that we liked. And then we asked for the classic clutch with chain, and the SA told us that, you know, she doesn't have that one, but she has something similar. And then we were like, okay, what would the similar one be? So she told us to the back, because that was like towards the back of the shop. And we were like, no way. Did we just see the flap coin purse with chain? And she, of course, we did. And then she took it out and I was trying it on. So excited. Loved the color. And, I just really fell in love with the combination, the gold tone chain with this light blue. It's amazing. I just love it. And then after we tried on, and I was like, this can't be very practical. I'm like, okay, let's get it. The decision make was like so quick. It was like one of the quickest moment ever. And we were super lucky. I mean, we went to a few different Chanel boutiques, and of course they don't have this anymore. And it was so surprised that, in that store, we see a few seasonal items that you won't see in other boutiques anymore. Like, yeah, so let me show you the picture. One of the seasonal item that I saw is the gold graffiti with the Egyptian inspiration back in 2019. And they do have, plenty of them in the store. And I see they have a lot of, they do have the mini square. Yeah, they have it in shillings, the pink tone. And I mean, it's nice, but we prefer a lambskin. So, but we tried it on. I mean, it's a really nice piece, but we didn't get it this time. So yeah, in my experience, it's that I think if we're looking for anything seasonal, we might consider that location. One of the benefits by shopping at the Hermes Lifers is that they have really great loyalty programs. So the loyalty programs is every $750, you earn 1 stamp. And if you collect 10 stamps, you'll get a $500 worth of credits that you can use. It's for the whole entire Hermes Lifers. So they have more than just Chanel. They have, Valentino. They have the shoes department. They have Celine, they have Loewe, they have, so many different brands in that one store. And I heard like upstairs with the men's department, they have Nike, they have Adidas, they have Montclair also. So to us, it's like, okay, this would be another option for us to, travel a little bit. And it's worth for us to, like, honestly, when you shop for luxury, you never heard like there's reward points, there's, loyalty programs. So, it's kind of really attracting people to go there. And, the SA even said that, like, that's how they can get more people to come back. And I think that will be the case for us. So yeah, if you guys like today's video, please hit the like button. So hopefully this is just a little detour from Hermes. But if you guys enjoy watching other brands that I would buy, please comment below to let me know, and so that I can schedule, I can see what I can share with you guys. And if you like today's video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notifications for my latest videos and updates. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!